I can't even do anything with my lips, they're so numb.
It's so good.
Good morning. We are going into the suite right now. I know I mentioned in my previous video that I opened a business, and this is that business. So it is my studio, basically all of my esthetician clients in, and it's all mine. Your girl got an LLC. I have a pretty easy day. I have a micro needling, I have an acne boot camp, then my friend's coming for a lash lift and tint and her brows, and then my other friend's coming for her brows, and then we're gonna hang out a little. I'll show you the room and I'll show you how I set up and just all the behind the scenes stuff.
A few moments later.
Getting ready for the club.
I can't curl my hair.
Why do I look yellow?
I feel like we both look yellow.
Yeah, this is the steeler I got. I really like it.
Yeah, the other one I use is giving me allergic reaction. Welcome to my vlog. I hate my hair.
This is Tori's vlog.
This is my vlog. Guys, 1 like and you could do my hair. Oh, it's 9:10. Bitch, we have 20 minutes. What should I do my bang? Should I curl it like this or like up? Like
yeah,
lower?
like out. Out from
Okay.
your face, yeah.
I put 2 shots in this. I'm drunk.
That's nothing. Yeah.
It's so good.
And I have my lip appointment in the morning.
Actually, that's a lot better.
Is that awesome?
Yeah.
Stop, I want one.
It's so cute. Taylor got it for me. It's cooler back here.
It's literally right here with the lights.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll finish this when we make it somewhere.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. I am going to get my lips done. I haven't had my lips injected for like 5 years, I think. Me and my friend went out last night. I think I only filmed half of us getting ready because then we were running late and stressed. And then by the time we got there, we were having way too much fun. I'm trying to be a better vlogger, but I'm not quite there yet. I'm a little nervous. I just feel like they need a little plump. I don't want anything crazy, but it's just been 5 years, so it's just time to touch up, you know? Yeah, I'm doing really, really bad. I'm really hungover. Just getting my lips done hungover sounds like the worst idea ever. You're also not supposed to drink before filler, so I'm gonna bruise like crazy. Guys, I'm obsessed. They are swollen, so they look a little bit crazy, but this shape is amazing. I'm a little bloody. I can't even do anything with my lips, they're so numb. But I am starving to death, so I'm gonna go get coffee and breakfast because I need to revive myself. Good morning, guys. So it's been just 1 day since I got my lips done. Here's a little update of what they look like. I am in love. They're a little bit swollen still, obviously. I have lipstick on, but you can still kind of see they're bruised. And my chin is a little bruised. We did a little bit of dissolver there because I had old filler. Can't wait for the swelling to go all the way down, but as of right now, I still love them, which is so exciting because if you guys watched my vlog 5 years ago, or 4, when I got them done last time, I hated them, so I was really nervous. But I trust my girl. She's done my friends and they've all looked amazing. So I was like, okay. And I used to work with her, so I've seen her work a ton of times, but you know, you just never know. You just get a little scared. We have a very busy day today, so I just filmed a little reel and I have to leave in 10 minutes to go to the studio so that we can set up for our first client, and you guys are gonna come with. Little behind the scenes of being a studio business owner as an esthetician. Let me know if you guys want more kind of behind the scenes like that, because a little stressful. But we have lots of things to do today, so we are booked and busy at the studio back to back, and then after that I have to edit this vlog, do some inventory and ordering for the business so I can kind of show you how I do that. I also should do bookkeeping today, but we'll see if that happens or not. Running your own business is amazing and so extremely stressful all at the same time. But yeah, this is my new, I'm sure you've seen it if you've seen my reels, my new little DIY closet that I've built. I want to do a full video on how I did this, so let me know if you guys are interested. But here's a little sneak peek. We made it to the studio. I always have my little diffuser on, a little music. I turned the wax pot on because my first client is a brow wax. My sunset lamp on. These are consent forms that I had printed for the day. We just need to set up for our first client. And then that's all clean laundry that, whoa. I didn't mean to do that. And then that is all laundry to fold. 15 minutes before she comes, let's see if we can do this. Our esthetician doesn't just fold laundry and clean all day. They're doing it wrong. I have seven appointments today. That's a lot. Okay, she is set up. I'm gonna try to vlog in between, but like I said, I have a really busy day, so bear with me. I gotta put these in the towel warmer. Okay, we just did 2 clients. So it's been about 2 hours. I had a brow wax and tint and then a microneedling. Next, I have a consultation. I have my little form right here that I have them fill out. Not sure how long this will take. I always schedule out an hour. And then right after that, I have a different client for a facial, so I made sure we're all set up for that. And then right after her, I have a laser hair removal, and then hopefully I'll get a little break. My next client's coming in about 15 minutes. Okay guys, and that is a wrap for the day. I am tired. I was so back to back all day. But we set up the bed for tomorrow, and then we have laundry to take home and trash, and then I plugged in my lights for tomorrow. And then I'm just gonna do a quick little sweep and mop. Let's go home. Okay guys, it is so sunny. I can't see. So I just left and I decided that I deserve a matcha because I still have a lot to do and I'm so tired and I worked through my lunch. So I'm stopping at one of my new favorite matcha spots. I just tried this week and it's my new favorite. Little Avalon. They have a really amazing lemonade matcha, which normally I hate, but theirs is so good. And I'm going to get that and probably some lunch / dinner because it's 5 p.m. and I haven't ate lunch. So let's go. We have secured the matcha. Okay guys, I made it home. I obviously changed immediately. My cat says, babe, huh? You missed me? But yeah, we made it home. I have my salad here. Looks so good. I'm so hungry. Just got a Caesar salad with salmon. Eat and chill and drink my matcha. Then the day is not done. Then we'll work on our laundry. Did all my inventory counts yesterday at work. So now I just need to order stock of everything. And then, yeah, then I just need to edit this vlog, edit a reel for tomorrow for the business. Fun night of working. But thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what is your favorite thing to watch on these vlogs. Like what kind of direction do you want it to go? Do you want to see more of my behind the scenes about the business like today, or just more like how I spend my off days type of vibes, or more makeup? Let me know, or a little bit of all. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure you are subscribed, and yeah, I'm just so excited to be back with you guys, and I will see you next Thursday.